Hi everybody, Mr. Beltran here. Today I'm going to go over an EMOM workout. EMOM stands for every minute on the minute. And what that means is when the first minute starts, you're going to do some exercises. Whenever you finish those exercises, you're going to get the rest of that time to rest. Okay? Then when the second minute starts, you do those exercises again. And whenever you finish those exercises, you're going to get the rest of that minute to rest. And then when the third minute starts, you do them again, rest, fourth minute, again, rest, and then fifth minute again and rest. Okay, we're going to be doing it for 5 minutes, so 5 rounds. Okay, I'm going to show you the exercises. I'm going to show you some modifications to make it a little bit more challenging or a little bit more difficult depending on what your level is. So you have to adjust it to what you can do. Okay. Once we get started, okay, don't worry about what I'm doing. Okay, you choose which ones the way you are going to do yours. And don't worry about if you're finishing before me or after me, just go at your speed. Okay, just remember when that first minute is done, we start all over again. And when the second minute is done, we start all over again. Okay, so there are going to be 3 exercises. Okay, the first exercise is called a frogger. You're going to do 10 froggers. Okay, now they call it a frogger because you're going to kind of look like a frog. Your hands are going to be down here between your feet. Okay, just like you would if you look like a frog here. Okay, I'm going to turn a little sideways here. And then you're going to put your hands on the ground. You're going to jump your feet back, like you're going to get back in a push-up position, and then jump them back to frog. Okay, that's 1. Push-up, frog. Okay, legs back and forward. Okay, now if you want to make it a little bit easier, if that's a little more too challenging for you, same idea. You start in the frog position, but now you're just going to step your leg back and step the other leg back. Step it forward, leg back, forward, forward. Okay, and then you're going to want to do 10 of those. So that's the first exercise. Once you finish the 10 froggers, you go right into the next one, which is going to be 5 push-ups. Okay, now the push-ups, you should know by now, you can do regular, with your knees up. Okay, bend those elbows down, and then back up. Okay, or if you want to do the modified with your knees on the ground, that's okay too. Just make sure your back is diagonal as you do it. Okay, you don't want to have your back in a tabletop position. Okay, so those are 5 push-ups. The third exercise after you do that are abdominal twists. Abdominal twists, you're going to sit down with your knees bent, feet on the ground. Okay, this one, depending on how far you lean back, is how hard you make it. Okay, more upright, a little bit easier. Leaning back more, a little bit harder. Hands in front of you, you're just going to twist side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10. And once you finish the 10 abdominal twists, you stop and you get to rest for the rest of that minute. Okay, so if it takes you 25 seconds to do those 3 exercises, then you get 35 seconds to rest until the second minute when you do them again. Okay, again, don't worry about what my speed is. Okay, do them as best as you can. If you need to do the modified version to make it a little bit less challenging for you, that's fine too. Okay, the key here is to work as hard as you can work. Okay, so again, 10 froggers, 5 push-ups, 10 abdominal twists. Okay, every minute on the minute. All right, let's take a second here to get ready here. I'm going to start this up. All right, here we go. You guys ready? Okay, we're going to start with those froggers. Ready, set, go. All right, once you're done with those froggers, whenever you finish, make sure you do those 5 push-ups. And then, of course, the 10 abdominal twists. And then whenever you're done, you get to rest. All right, so you've got about 20 more seconds to rest before minute number 2. Remember, we're going 5 times, okay? So we've done 1, hopefully. Now we're going to number 2. Okay, we've got about 10 seconds here before we get started for the next one. Okay? Starting in that frogger. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go ahead and start. 10 froggers. All right. Once you finish, move on to your push-ups. And then whenever you finish the push-ups, it is the abdominal twist. Okay? Keep on going. It's about 30 seconds left. All right. Okay? 20 seconds if you haven't finished yet. If you have, take some nice deep breaths. That way you're ready to go again for round number 3. Remember, we're doing 5 rounds. Okay? So this is the halfway point right here. All right, let's get ready with those froggers. Remember, if you need to do those modified versions, you can. I think I'm going to do the modified version on this round. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Whenever you finish your froggers, move on to the push-ups. Okay, make sure you do 10 froggers. And then 5 push-ups. Whenever you finish those push-ups, go ahead and do the abdominal twist, okay? About 30 seconds left. About 20 seconds left. So I get to rest for about 20 seconds. We're going to round 4 next, all right? In about 10 seconds. Nice deep breath. Okay, get ready. Ready, set, and go. After your 10 froggers, do those 5 push-ups. After the 5 push-ups, 10 abdominal twists. And then rest for the last round. All right, got about 20 seconds here before the 5th and final round. All right, you can do it. I know you're getting tired, so am I. Got one more to do, okay? 10 froggers, 5 push-ups, 10 abdominal twists. All right, here we go. About 5 more seconds here before we get started. Starting in that frogger position. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Remember, go at your speed, whatever you can do. All right, moving on for me to the push-ups. And whenever you finish your push-ups, abdominal twist. All right, try to finish them up. You got about 25 seconds to finish them up. How was the last round? Okay, if you haven't finished, keep working. Okay, I know you can do it. Good. All right, almost there, 10 seconds. Finish them up. And go ahead and stop. All right, nice work. So that was called an EMOM workout, all right? Now, if you want, now this is optional, if you want to challenge yourself, take a little break, maybe 5 minutes, try it again, okay? See if you can go a little bit better or a little bit faster, okay? EMOM, what makes it tough is that you try to finish quickly so that you have time to rest, but the quicker you finish, the more tired you are because you're working a little bit harder, right? So that's what makes EMOM a little bit challenging. Okay, so like I said, if you want, take a little rest, maybe 5 minutes, try them again. See if you can do it a little bit faster this time around, okay? Whenever you're done, make sure you do those stretches, please. And then after the stretches, make sure you fill out that little Google form, all right? See you guys next time.